Hi guys, my name is Masha. I am a stay-at-home mom and I have a small business and I like to side hustle. And I'm starting this YouTube channel to see if I can monetize it within 6 months to a year, hopefully. Right now, I am at 566 followers, I think. Thank you so much to everybody who has followed me. And I'm nowhere near the 4 million views that are needed for YouTube Shorts. So I thought I would start long form videos to kind of share my journey of how I am growing this YouTube channel and also to connect with other people, because I know a lot of creators are also trying to start their YouTube channels. So what you can expect on this channel is basically lifestyle videos where I share about how I'm growing my YouTube channel, also how I'm making money online. This year, I've really jumped into content creation. I grew my TikTok following. I think I'm at almost 50,000 followers on TikTok, and most of the followers are following me on there because I'm trying to learn how to shuffle dance. So a lot of people are kind of following that journey. And I also became a TikTok shop affiliate, and I am posting videos about different products that I buy from TikTok. And so that kind of manifested and became something else where I started Amazon affiliate, Amazon influencer program. So a lot of brands are reaching out to me from that to make videos for their products. And so I have monetized finally after so many years. I have been able to monetize my content and it's been really fun. It hasn't been a lot. Like last month, I think I made between 1,500 to 2,000. I'm not sure. I'm going to do, if you guys are interested to find out what I'm making and from what areas, I would be very happy to share that information. But basically I have made $2,000, let's just call it 2,000 last month from content creation, which isn't a lot. I know a lot of people make a lot more than that, but for me, I think it's amazing because I am a stay-at-home mom. I have 3 kids. My little daughter goes to school from 9 to 1. So that's really the only time that I have to really make videos, and also when they're home and relaxing, like here and there. But really work time is only like 4 hours in the morning. And so I'm able to monetize just with that time. So I thought it would be fun to share my journey and to find other people that are like-minded and have the same goals. And if you guys like this type of video, please give me a like and a follow and follow along. I'm going to really try to make a video a week and update you guys on my numbers and my highest viewed videos so we can learn together. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.